All right, you guys. So we're going to talk about how to force the canonical URL. So for the people who don't know what that is, what is that?
The canonical, let's go ahead and show them. Let's go to Amazon.
And you should care. We'll tell you why you should care in a second.
Let's go ahead and open this up right here. Amazon. And what are we going to search for? We're talking about polybags a lot in this exercise. So if I just click on this polybag right here, this is the canonical URL. All right.
Okay.
Clear. This entire, part right here is the canonical URL.
All right, so we have the canonical URL right up here. What is it? It's right at the top. We looked it up on Amazon. It is what shows right there, really small.
Amazon.com, and then we see clear, poly, combo, suffocation, warning.
If our editor's epic, he'll zoom in. If he's not, well, look harder.
All right. So this is what is indexed like in Google for it. So like if you searched for this product, like let me see if I can actually find this in Google. If I copy this whole entire thing right here, I wonder if this is going to come up in Google.
The whole thing? Wait,
The
you
whole
only
thing.
did
I just
like
wanna-
half.
Or most of it. Let's see. The whole thing, most of it. Is this it? 400 clear polybags? Is that the same one? I think that's it, right?
Just open it in a new tab.
Yeah, it is. It is right here. So you guys see, I just searched for something in Google. So if it came up, look at this. This is the canonical URL, meaning this is what's indexed in Google. This is what Amazon kind of indexes in the URL. There's keywords in there, all right? So as you can see, this canonical URL is not doing it too much favors on Google because it's kind of some weird words in there. Clear, poly, combo, suffocation, warning.
So
right?
here's how the value could be now. So you understand what it is right there. Where's the value?
The value is there is a way to force your canonical URL. Because right there, what's happening is, where's Amazon? Amazon, if you can notice here, is just picking random words from the title to put into the canonical. And
and we blurred the URL because that's how I have it on everything. So maybe we'll add in a canonical URL as an addition to this video. Editor, please.
Yep.
Okay, so basically it's being forced on us, right? Exactly. Amazon chooses it, but we can choose it.
Yes. And the way to do that is by choosing 5 words all at the beginning of the title that are, I don't think numbers count. So if it was this, it would be 6 words. But if I wanted clear, poly, bags, combo pack to be my canonical URL, all I would have had to do is put a dash or a space after the pack right here, and then a dash and a space, and then the rest of it. And then you upload that to your listing. You wait like a day or a day and a half. You refresh in Google, you refresh here on Amazon, and boom. That's your new
What if
canonical
I've
URL.
already made my listing? Do I have to do this the first time I make my listing?
You can go back and edit it.
You can change it.
Yes.
Oh, I thought you
Yes.
couldn't in the past.
No, you can change your canonical URL.
Oh,
yes.
Okay, so what would you do with this? You would probably put your highest search volume, or
This
like
is
what?
where what you're more of an expert than me is if you have targeted a certain keyword phrase or certain keywords that are relevant in Google, searches. Whatever you want to get Google ranking juice for, that's what I'm going to put in my canonical because this URL does nothing to your Amazon search. As far as I've never proven it. Nobody has ever proven it that I can see that it helps you or hurts you anything inside of Amazon. But people have proven that it does help in Google.
I could definitely see that it would help your Google ranking because Google takes many factors. The mainest thing is the title of the page and the description of the page. However, here's my question. Aren't I going to mess with my Amazon listing if I'm changing the title, the keywords in the title?
It's got to make sense. I mean, you're not just going to try and
keyword
5 word stuff.
Let's get practical here, guys. I mean, you're not going to put every dang keyword in here and update your listing every day for a year because you're just going to screw yourself over.
Yep.
Okay, so be smart, okay? But now this could be neat. I believe that there's another way with gems.
Yes.
With gems, we can make a new one. So we could make 500 canonical URLs with gems, technically.
But it's not your real canonical URL. This is the only way to make
But you could
your real
index
canonical.
it by maybe running AdWords to it.
You could.
And then now Google picks you up for all sorts of... I'm still have to test that.
Yeah. I've never tested that.
Or you get enough backlinks and then now it recognizes
I mean, that's the whole reason why we have that in the gems page is for people who do choose that. That's just not something I've done. Yep.
I'll let you guys know once I test that.
And
if anybody does test that or has any evidence, please let us know. We would all like to know.
And what he's talking about right here, if you go to helium10.com.
Wait.
What happened?
Oh, Gems doesn't log in.
No,
We're not. We're on
You don't
my
need to be
account.
a Helium 10 member to do this. You just go to helium10.com, hit gems. That's it. And the very first, there's Manny right there. Look at that. Hey,
Way! How
you
cool
doing?
is that?
Pretty cool, I think. Manny, I hope Manny's not going to watch this. We're not making fun of him. It's 4 o'clock in the morning, Manny.
He'll appreciate it. We're recording at 4 in the morning.
That's
him jacked at us.
In Manny's honor, this is a tactical flashlight right here. So the way that this was made is they just put the keyword CV Life, tactical, flashlight, outdoor, rechargeable, and then the ASIN, and then it would have given you this output, and then there is something that you can go ahead and use to send some traffic to in Google.
Okay, awesome. Sweet. So this might be a little neat thing, but yeah, so definitely how does this affect your listing? Maybe you just let's get practical here. If you're on the edge and you're like, okay, I have 2 keyword phrases here, okay? And they're like, you're trying to decide like, okay, like what's going to be, what are my things going to be here? Like whatever you get in your canonical is going to be shown at that title and higher rank you on Google. So like, I guess you're not really going to change the first words of your title based off of this, but maybe like if you're deciding that 4th or 5th, like maybe this turns the needle for you of which one to choose. And then you just do it because you want that to at least choose it for you, not Amazon choose it randomly.
Yeah. And then again, like Brock said, you can go ahead and do 100 different canonical URLs, but you'd have to do some kind of campaign to get indexed for it. But the main Amazon canonical URL is the main one. That's your official. That's how you're known by to Amazon and to Google without even having to do any kind of traffic at all. That's your what's the word I'm looking? Default.
Yep.
Canonical URL. So this is the way to do your default canonical URL. Using the gems page is how you can make any canonical URL that you want, regardless of how your title is, so that you can do different campaigns on Google, like Brock was saying.
Yeah, I'm excited to test that in the future. All right. Well, if you guys have any questions about this, let us know, or any experience or knowledge on it. Hope you guys enjoyed this. On to the next video.